So we get a lot of requests for breakfast, and these overnight oats are absolutely delicious.
I love overnight oats.
I
love them. I have some in the fridge to eat tomorrow morning for breakfast. I make 2 or 3 at a time, and they're filling. They taste like dessert, which makes me happy, and they have healthy ingredients in it.
Oh, absolutely. And so when we came across this recipe here, it was a carrot cake overnight oats. Now, she doesn't like carrots, but you like carrot cake, right?
Oh, I love carrot cake.
Right.
I mean, who doesn't like cream cheese icing? That will put any vegetable into my mouth.
So what did we all put in this?
So this has got gluten-free oats. We've got some shredded carrots, pecans, golden raisins. We added a little bit of maple syrup, and then we added a scoop of the vanilla complete. And then it called for coconut yogurt. So I had a pineapple brulee coconut yogurt.
Which was perfect because you put pineapple in this carrot cake.
Almond milk.
Almond milk.
And is that about it?
Well, I think that's it. That's it. So unfortunately, we just made these.
Yeah. So we'll have to taste them in the morning.
So we're going to taste them in the morning and let you all know. They look delicious. The batter tastes delicious. And so we'll see. So do you heat this up in the morning?
No, and so the magic of overnight oats is, you know, oatmeal you have to cook, right? Well, so you don't just want to eat oats before it's been cooked, but the overnight process does the same thing. You add the liquid to it, and the oats sit in there overnight, and then they just become soft and ready to eat in the morning. I like mine cold. I do know of people that warm it up. It's certainly up to you. I'm sure you could. I mean, honestly, if you put them in a mason jar, you can just take the lid off and throw it in a microwave for probably 30 seconds. But I like mine cold.
The ones that we've done before, I like cold. My husband will, which is so funny, and I don't even know he's doing it until I open the fridge and there's a square Tupperware container of overnight oats. And literally, he will just put in oats and milk.
That's all he does?
That's all he does.
Oh my gosh.
And then
so he likes it cold?
He'll heat it up.
Oh.
So then next morning, he'll just heat it up real quick, add some, I think he puts like brown sugar, maybe a little cinnamon, and that's what he eats. Which I'm impressed that he does that.
I mean, there's tons of recipes out there, but I guess for us, we add the vanilla or chocolate complete depending on what we're making, which is giving us 15 additional plants. It's giving us 8 more grams of fiber. So it really fills me up, and it's just a happy little treat. I mean, I just love it. So this is going to be a fun twist on it. I've never had a carrot cake version.
Yes, I'm excited.
So we will be back with you to let you know when we taste these in the morning.
Okay.
All right.
So we'll drop the recipe below. Big red subscribe button. Hit it.
Subscribe.
Hit it.
You don't want to miss the great recipes, guys.
Ask your friends to join.
We would appreciate it. That's right. They're healthy. They're yummy. You gotta try them.
All right.
See ya.
Peace.
Can't wait to try them.
Hi everybody. So I am trying the carrot cake overnight oats this morning. We couldn't try them yesterday because we had just made them, so they need to sit in your fridge overnight. And let me tell you, these are so good. I actually think I like this better than the brownie batter overnight oats that we make. Those are delicious, super rich because they're real chocolatey. Those are Heather's those will be Heather's favorite. But I love all the cinnamon and the nutmeg that we put in here. I love the golden raisins, and the carrots are still a little crunchy, which I like. And the oats are oats. They're nice and smooth and soft, but it is so good. So good. So let's throw this over to Heather. Good morning, Heather.
Good morning, Jill. I'm getting ready to try my overnight oats. So excited. We made these yesterday, and of course we had to leave them in the fridge overnight. Have you tried yours yet? Oh my gosh. Okay, these are yummy. Winner, winner. I make the brownie batter ones all the time. I love these carrot cake ones. And I don't even like carrots. Slam dunk, guys. Try them.